Hey there, YouTube friends. My mother sent us this baker's rack as a Christmas gift. It just came today. We picked it out from Wayfair, so we're going to put it together now, and we'll see how it looks. Pieces. Here's a shot of the shelves. Now, they're not real wood, but it's a nice finish. They call it rustic brown, and for comparison, that's our butcher block on our island. Okay, it looks like everything goes together with a hex wrench. So the hex wrench is in there. We have the screws. Everything is labeled really well. So it looks like this will go together easy. Okay, now we're going to attach these metal bars to the shelves. Okay, now we have to attach the shelves to the sides. So we're going to do that on the floor. Those are pieces number 1 on the side, and now we'll attach the shelves. Okay, now I'm attaching the side leg to shelf number 5 with screws from package A. And I'm not going to make it real tight, I'm just going to fit it on each side. I'm just going to hand tighten these until all the shelves are held together. Okay, now that everything is hand tightened, I'm just going to use the hex wrench to tighten everything up. Okay, now we'll put the adjustable feet on. And we'll stand it up and we'll make any adjustments we need. Okay, now I'm attaching piece 2 to piece 8. Now we're attaching bar number 4 to the side piece, which is number 2. Now we're going to attach the shelves number 7. Put in the frame like that. Going to bolt the top to the bottom. Oh, pretty good. Okay, now we'll just attach the power strip with a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, we're level side to side, but front to back we're a little off, so I'll just adjust the feet. Now we'll just plug in the power strip, which I think is really convenient. Here's a look at the baker's rack all set up. It has a height of 64.5 inches and a width of 35.5 inches. The bottom 3 shelves have a depth of 15 3/4 inches, and the top 2 shelves have a depth of 5 5/8 inches. Now we bought quite a bit for the baker's rack, so Rita's going to take it from here and let you know where we purchased everything from.
This S-hook holding the cutting boards we picked up at Walmart, and the cutting boards are from Ross. These chalk labeled canisters we got at Big Lots, and they were 3 for $36. This basket holding the onions is from Ross, that was $4.99. And this other set of canisters was from Dollar General. They were on sale, we got 3 of them for $12. This wooden bowl was $14.99, and these coffee towels were $6.99, both from Big Lots. Also from Big Lots were these cereal bowls, 4 for $12. We picked up this sign at Hobby Lobby, and it adds a good amount of height to the baker's rack. It was $18. And lastly, we have this coffee clock that my mother-in-law purchased for us from Wayfair. The baker's rack is a great addition to the kitchen. It frees up countertop and cabinet space, And it's really nice to come into the kitchen in the morning for breakfast and have everything right there for us. It's also nice to be working at the island and turn around and everything is right behind us, conveniently located, and it also looks really good. If you're interested, again, this was the Eastway by Trent Austin Design Baker's Rack at Wayfair. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.